A very good morning, students. Today is our new topic, that is disability etiquettes. Etiquettes means how you should have interaction, how you should present yourself, how you should talk or behave with the disability people. So you have to be very careful. They should not be hurt because of their disability by words or by action. So first of all, never called a disabled person. In calling itself, you should call a person with disability. Means आदमी है लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत डिसेबिलिटी है. Never use the words like handicapped, retarded, mentally retarded, physically challenged or differently abled. For example, person who are blind, rather than blind person, means you should don't call a blind person. Instead of that, you call person who are blind. And next etiquette, in case of you are having any kind of introduction with the disability people, you must shake your hands. This is one kind of brotherhoodness with the disabled person. When you meet a person with visual impairment, not able to see properly, then you identify yourself by name. You should tell your name. Okay. Then leaning or hanging on the person who is on the wheelchair, so you should not bend down or hold their handles of wheelchair and lean on the person. That is one kind of insult to the disabled person, so avoid it. Next is always listen carefully and attentively when you are having conversation with the person who is difficulty in speaking. ठीक से बोल नहीं पाता, उसके वर्ड्स को ध्यान से सुनो, तभी आपको फर्स्ट टाइम में समझ में आ जाएगा. And instead of you are not listening properly and individual is also not able to speak properly, so all of a sudden you may ask what you are telling, I am not able to understand. This is one kind of insult to the disabled person. When you are talking the person who is on wheelchair or on the crutches, that is supporting legs on the armpit and all, keep yourself at eye level. Means when you are talking to the person who is sitting on the wheelchair and all, lower body physically challenged, that time you should not stand and talk. Your eye level should be in line with the eye level of disabled person. This comes under etiquettes. To get the attention of a person who is deaf, जिसको ठीक से सुना ही नहीं देता, or hearing impairment, tap on the person and divert the attention of the individual towards you and face towards the individual and speak clearly. This etiquette you should always follow, because he is not a normal person, it is hard of hearing. Never patronize person who uses wheelchair or by patting them on the head or shoulder. Those who are on the wheelchair and all, don't patronize, don't tap on the shoulders or on the head. This is one kind of insult to the disabled person. Introduce yourself to the person who are blind using names. See, when you are meeting with the disabled person who is blind, individual is not able to see you properly. So first you should, before asking, you should introduce yourself by name. If you need to leave a person who is blind, inform him that you are leaving and ask him if he needs anything before you leave. When you are leaving after talk, and quietly don't leave, just ask the person that I am leaving and before I leave, you have any work with me or any kind of help from me, you can ask. This comes under etiquettes. Always avoid asking person questions to an individual who is differently abled. Means more questions should not be put to the disabled person. This is also difficult for them to answer. Always give additional time to the person with disability or to say something, means you should give more time in talking also, maybe any kind of disability, so they can adjust along with you. Always have conversation at a normal tone of voice. Don't talk in high pitch to such individuals. Means your voice should be cool and calm. You should not hurt by words, and they also behave properly with you, and they can understand you very well. Don't pretend to understand if you are facing problem in doing so. So always understand them very clearly if you are facing any problem in doing so. This is last etiquette. Likewise, those etiquettes you have to follow always when you are having any kind of interaction with the disabled children. Thank you. Have a good day. And next, advantages of physical activities for children. This is deleted from the syllabus of 12th class. So you can mark in your index also. Here in book also you should need not to go through. And further next topic we will study. That is last topic in this topic. Thank you. Have a healthy day.